Fleet managers have to juggle many tasks. To help you implement efficiencies that can streamline your fleet operations, we've compiled 7 best practices for highly effective fleet managers. Number 1. Act, don't react when it comes to safety. Safety is always at the forefront for fleets. Operators are exposed to many dangers, and accidents can be devastating. Though not all incidents are preventable, ensuring your drivers are performing inspections confirms the vehicle is safe to operate before it departs. Number 2. Make fleet vehicle maintenance management easy and accessible. Ditch the spreadsheets, whiteboards, and paper that you're using to manage your fleet today. To keep up with preventive maintenance needs, make inspections, scheduling, and reporting as effortless as possible. You and your drivers can use mobile apps to conduct inspections and receive preventive maintenance reminders in real time. Number 3. Measure everything that matters. The secret to making informed decisions lies in your fleet data. Metrics like cost per mile, total cost of ownership, and other operating expenses can reveal telling stories about your processes. Fleet management software automatically calculates this information, so all you have to do is analyze trends and take necessary action. Number 4. Document everything digitally. Invoices, work orders, receipts, photos, employee records, product manuals, and more can be stored digitally in a centralized platform. Not only will having these documents in one place save you precious time, but it's cost-effective too. Access your documents securely from a computer or mobile device, anytime, anywhere. Number 5. Set goals and expectations for your team. Setting standards across your staff will help you maintain accountability and visibility. Incentivize your drivers to complete thorough inspections, bring their vehicles in for service when it's due, and thoroughly document any accidents or issues. Encouraging your team to collaborate to help you track your fleet will give you the information you need to maximize the return on your assets. Number 6. Track utilization to assess purchasing and disposal needs. Replacing vehicles and equipment is extremely costly. Tracking the extent mobile assets are used on a daily or even an hourly basis gives you insight into your optimal fleet size. Knowing the age, mileage, and utilization is critical when it's time to replace an asset. Make sure you're familiar with the makes and models that fit your criteria ahead of time and consider bulk purchasing for additional savings. Number 7. Constantly educate yourself on industry advancements. The fleet industry is constantly evolving, and it can be difficult to keep track. Although new strategies are introduced often, it's important to stay up to date so that you can leverage technology to automate your operations. Subscribe to an informative newsletter like our monthly Fleet Beat and get the latest tips, trends, and best practices delivered straight to your inbox. These are just some of the keys to fleet management success. Learn more about how Fleetio can help you effectively manage your fleet. Visit fleetio.com today.